Let's practice grammar with the verb to be. S, subject plus be, am, is, and are. And for negative statements, subject plus be with not. Example, I'm not, isn't, and aren't. Questions with verb to be using the verb am, is, and are. Let's practice with some examples for positive sentences. Structure. Subject plus verb to be with either am, is, and are plus the clause, okay? First, verb to be, I am sick. I'm sick. You are a policeman. You're a policeman. With the subject she is lucky. Or with the contraction, she's lucky. And with subject we are at school. Or we're at school. Now let's take a look at the verb to be with negative sentences. Structure. Subject plus verb to be, am, is, are, plus not, plus clause. Let's see. I am not sick. I'm not sick. You are not a policeman. Contraction, you aren't a policeman. She is not lucky. She isn't lucky. Or, we are not at school. No, we aren't at school. Now let's look at the verb to be with questions. Structure. Verb plus not plus subject. Examples. Am I sick? Am I not sick? Next. Are you a policeman? Aren't you a policeman? Is she lucky? Isn't she lucky? Are we at school? Aren't we at school? Now, let's practice the sentences with the verb to be. Number 1. Are you from Russia? No, I am not. Number 2. Where is your wife from? B. She is from Brazil. Number 3. Where is the meeting? It is in the room over there. What is your name? My name is Linda. Now, we're going to learn about how to provide personal information. Let's talk about the country. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Nationality. Question. What's your nationality? Answer. I'm Vietnamese. Birthplace. Where you were born. Question. What's your birthplace? My birthplace is Hanoi, which means I was born in Hanoi. Hometown. Question: what's your hometown? Answer: my hometown is Hanoi. Now, let's try modification with adjectives. Describe a person. Example 1. This is my friend. Occupation. He is a student, or she is a student. Country. What country is he from? He is from France, or she is from France. Description. He is handsome. She is beautiful. Let's practice how to introduce somebody to a group. Please study the example. Okay, some information. Name: Victoria Wang. Nickname: Vicky. Occupation: photographer. Hometown: Wuhan, China. Birthplace: Wuhan, China. Age: 22. Favorite actor: Will Smith. Favorite sport: tennis. Other information: she lives in Shanghai. Now, let's make a paragraph using the information that we are given, and we shall introduce someone to a group. Please listen to the example, read and repeat after me. This is Victoria Wang, but everybody calls her Vicky. She is 22 years old, and she is a photographer. Miss Victoria Wang lives in Shanghai, but she is originally from a city called Wuhan. Her favorite actor is Will Smith, and her favorite sport is tennis. So, look at the words in red. This is the information that we have been given. Name, nickname, age, occupation, additional information, birthplace, favorite actor, and favorite sport. Now, structures to help you create sentences for how to introduce someone to a group. Okay, let's practice. Number 1. This is my friend. Number 2. I'd like you to meet my friend. Number 3. Everyone calls him Kiki. Number 4. His nickname is Kiki. His hometown is Paris, and his favorite sport is tennis. Now, write a paragraph to introduce someone to a group. Start with your introduction. Name, this is. Add a nickname, for example, with sentences. Everyone calls him, or his name is. Next, we can talk about age. He or she is age old. Next, we can add a sentence about occupation. He or she is a designer, a photographer. Hometown. Okay, simple sentence. His hometown is. Okay. Favorites. What does he or she like? His favorite actor is. His favorite sport is. And we can add additional information. He lives in the city, perhaps.